Imagine your electric shaver starting to feel rough, so you assume it is time to buy a whole new unit. In reality, if the motor still runs smoothly, all you probably need is a fresh shaving head. Replacement heads usually cost a fraction of a mid-range or premium shaver, and they can transform the shave overnight. Swap the head every 12 to 18 months and you avoid irritation, tugging, and overspending on new devices. If the shaver is very cheap and the head is more than half the price of a new one, then upgrading the whole shaver makes more sense. Replace the head, maintain it properly, and both your skin and your wallet will benefit. Shop at shaver-spares.co.uk.